We're a family-owned and operated business committed to customer satisfaction even in emergency situations. Since we first opened, we have made it our top priority to serve our customers with quality work, reasonable rates, and professional service with a neighborly touch. We are licensed, bonded, and fully insured. Committed to excellence, we take pride in our outstanding record of quality service, and our longevity is a testament to that level of service and quality that you'll get when you choose us as your locksmith. Our professionals have years of experience with traditional locks and keys and stay current on the latest technology in electronic and keyless security. Customers are always treated with courtesy over the phone and on the job. Firm and honest estimates are given, and jobs are explained and priced out before work begins. Whatever your needs are, we'll provide you with the best locksmith services available anywhere. We can handle all your residential, commercial, and automotive locks. So contact us today at 813-760-1066.